Okay, it's okay. So apparently the cicadas can live without their bottom thorax because the ants were trying to carry this guy off, and I took the ants off of him. He is living. He was trying to crawl away. As you can see, I mean, he's fully functional. He's just missing, like, most of his body, as you can see. Look, I mean, it's gone. The only thing left is his brain, pretty much. How is that? Look. It's just his head. His head. His body's missing. He doesn't even have a stomach. He has nothing. He has a head. And he is alive. How is this possible? I don't understand. I got the ants off of him. I mean, what insect do you know can live without their bottom part? I don't. Look. I mean, oh my gosh. Crazy.